So what all goes into investigating workplace claims for an employer? As an investigative agency, when we look at workplace claims, we want to make sure that the employer is using best practices to avoid things like discrimination or harassment and claims of retaliation against an employee making a valid claim. However, in many cases, understanding the background of that claim and the action behind that claim can help maybe with future safety, future theft avoidance, and maybe even find parts of that claim that may not be 100% completely accurate. You want to make sure that you get good legal advice to conform with OSHA and Fair Credit Reporting Act, even things like privacy laws to make sure you're not violating those for the employee. But the most important thing is employees have the right to take correct legal action, and you don't want to interfere with that while you're ascertaining the actual facts for future prevention or even discovering things about this claim that may not be true. You want to start with the scope of the actual event, what actually happened and what didn't happen. Carefully plan the actions you'll take so you don't impact the employee initially or impact their case, starting with covert or less invasive techniques, finding out maybe from other people, looking at records that aren't directly impacting the person involved with the claim. You may discover that even the employee has misinterpreted reasons for their injury, for their loss, or for their damages that may be attributed to other parties, not your company.